Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to customize out-of-stock variations in WooCommerce. This helps your customers easily identify unavailable options while still seeing all the available product variations. So, let's get started. Let's say one of the variations of your product is out of stock. On the front end, when you select that variation, you'll see that the out-of-stock variation is displayed with an out-of-stock message. This is the default WooCommerce behavior. Let's customize how it's displayed using Smart Swatches. Go to the Smart Swatches General Settings page. Here, you'll find an option called Disable Out-of-Stock Attributes. Check this option and click Save. Now, go back to the product page. You'll see that the out-of-stock option is visually disabled. You can also change the style to blur, blur with cross, grayscale, or hide, depending on how you want to display unavailable options. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.